Your Lincoln was designed to sense its surroundings and react in the blink of an eye. Let me explain. Pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection is designed to alert you if you are approaching a stationary vehicle too quickly, a vehicle traveling in front of you in the same direction, or a pedestrian. When the system is activated, it uses radar and camera technology to scan the road ahead. If it senses that you are at risk of a collision, you'll get several warnings, including a row of flashing red warning lights that reflect on the windshield in front of you, a warning chime, and a warning message that will appear in your information display. If your risk of collision increases even after the initial alerts, brake support will prepare your brake system to stop quickly. This means even if you press the brakes lightly, the system may apply them full force if it senses that it's needed. If the system determines that a collision is imminent, active braking can automatically apply full braking that may help the driver reduce impact damage or avoid an accident completely. To adjust the sensitivity settings, use the up-down toggle button on the right side of your steering wheel to scroll to Settings, Driver Assist, Pre-Collision, then Alert Sensitivity. From here, you can choose High, Normal, or Low Alert Sensitivity by pressing the OK button to select the one you want. The lower the setting, the fewer warnings you'll receive, and vice versa. Keep in mind, active braking will automatically turn on anytime you start the engine. One more thing, if your radar sensors or camera are blocked, the system may not work properly, and you may get a message in your information display letting you know that there is an obstruction. With Lincoln, knowing what lies ahead can guide you safely into the future. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.